Hello, would you like to produce swimwear, sleepwear, or underwear in Vietnam? I recommend American Fashion Factory based in Ho Chi Minh City. They can produce your designs or they can private label their designs with your brand name on it. They have a successful brand here selling in Ho Chi Minh City called 𝗀𝗶𝗲𝗍𝗶𝗲𝗍. Allow me to tell you more. Let's go. Calvin, tell us about this style of bra.
So I'm very happy to talk about this today. So this is a multi-weight bra that our team designed after some focus group. We can wear this as a halter top.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a Vietnamese factory tour guide. Click on the ad button and hire me to take you for a tour of American Fashion Factory in Ho Chi Minh City.
So through today's video, you see different aspects of the company. We share with you a little bit about the vision for the brand. We share you about the culture of the company, the sample room, how our R&D room, our pack, how we deliver consistency and reliability to the customer. The message I want to share with you is this is a labor of love. This is a combination of our family, third generation, in the business of cutting, sewing, and distribution garment at the beginning, now underwear. We are committed to bring quality lingerie, underwear, sleepwear, and swimwear to the middle class, to the mass market of Vietnam. Very early on, we localized our design material, choice of material for the local weather, for the local taste. It accentuates the beauty of a lady, yet keep the modesty of a Buddhism-bound country. I think we achieved that with best of both worlds by designing a product that's very modest but enhance the beauty of women and so make her feel beautiful from inside out.
What trends have you seen in terms of the fabrics that work best for your target customers?
We have two lines of fabric that are suitable. One is cotton, comfortable to sleep in, to lounge around. But featured today is our second best-selling line, which is locally we call them satin. These are very silky, very light, woven material that we can have plain. We can print with geometric pattern or floral design. What you see today is our fall and winter collection with this collection is called Fall in Love. This is very good for the Vietnamese weather. Warm, humid, very light, very modest. It looks as beautiful on a long dress as it is in a two-piece long sleeve as it is in a kimono. Well, probably one of the leading sleepwear designer manufacturer on the line that's suitable for the local weather. I welcome you all to try the 𝗀𝗶𝗲𝗍𝗶𝗲𝗍. Our aspiration is to deliver you a quality product that regardless of what corner of life you came from, middle class, to the aspiring people coming up to the middle class, to the people who have really the budget and the means to buy the most expensive underwear in the world. But they still choose 𝗀𝗶𝗲𝗍𝗶𝗲𝗍 because it stands for quality, comfort, reliability, and it basically brings out the most beautiful in you. Thank you very much, and thanks for listening to our message.
Thank you for watching to the end. I highly recommend 𝗀𝗶𝗲𝗍𝗶𝗲𝗍 if you want to produce sleepwear and/or underwear in Vietnam. They are one of many amazing factories in my network. Consider hiring me and my team to help you find the right factories fast.